Here's a roundup of some of my favorite Walmart home finds. I absolutely love this large glass container. It's airtight and has a cute wood lid. This is a party caddy, which is really great for the holiday season, for parties, for hosting. It holds so many different size plates, napkins. It has a holder to keep paper towels from flying if you're outside. It has spaces for utensils, straws, cups, although my cups couldn't fit upside down, salt and pepper, and so much more. And I love these baskets from Walmart. They are huge, heavy duty, and you can store so many different things in it around your home. Whether it's blankets, toys, it can hold a lot of stuff. And this divided basket is also really nice for organizing things around your bathroom, and you can put this right on your toilet. Laundry container is great for storing random things around your laundry room. I'm using it for dryer balls, and this large laundry storage container is my type of container because in case I don't feel like unpackaging stuff, I can just throw all of that in here and it still looks good and easy grab and go. And if you need you a really large caddy that's also affordable, this one right here is a must-have. It has a lot of different storage compartments. You can put all your cleaners in here, take it with you from bathroom to bathroom. It's just a great must-have. And this black ceramic jar is what I call functional decor. It actually looks really good set on shelves and counters, but it can also store things. This 5-foot candle looks so high-end. It is really beautiful sitting on your counters, on your bookcases. Definitely a must-have. Okay, I have found the absolute best smelling candles at Walmart. They are literally like under $10 each. As wax warmer is beautiful and functional. I love the ripple glass. It just gives this beautiful array. You add your wax warmers. These are some of my favorites. Again, from Walmart. It's called Centered. I will link them. But it just makes your home smell really good. And it's just really beautiful sitting up on a counter or table or nightstand or dresser. And this fall candle makes your home smell really nice for the fall. I came across these little holders that are just nice for holding small things like jewelry. The gold leaf is just gorgeous. And the reed diffuser, this one in particular, I love the smell. It smells great. I keep this on my nightstand by my bed, and I love it. Definitely worth grabbing your one at Walmart. Headband organizer is so great for keeping your headbands together. And then this 3-tier organizer is ceramic and great for using your vertical space as well as saving space.